Good morning, and here we are again on the staircase. You probably think I've been here for like the last 5 or 6 days, sat on this staircase, like I don't have a life. Well, it's one of those jobs because it's quite tedious and lots of like things over and over and over, over and over and over. A bit like making that fabulous wedding cake. It's not going to get done in one afternoon. But I have actually been doing loads of other things in this flat, a different bedroom and a playroom, and then just keep nipping back to this staircase. So what I'm going to do today is, yesterday I showed you I did the emulsion and overlapped it, and today I'm doing the undercoat on here. Here it is. Okay, here's my undercoat. It's my Zinza that I talk about all the time. Get some paint, and this is how we cut in. I've already done this little bit, so I start in an area away from where I just finished because there's already paint build up just there. So I'll start a bit further away and push the paint back down and push it into the crease line. Oh yeah, lovely, 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 lovely. So I've laid it on. Well, I've cut in actually, and now I'm laying it off, getting rid of any brush marks. Okay, so load up again, dup, dup, dup. Start in the dry area, not this wet bit that I've just finished because there's already loads of paint there. Start in the dry area in my next section and push it into that nice crease line that I've made from all that beautiful filling that I did. Then lay off, get rid of any brush marks. Oh, and lift out. Jolly good, perfect. A little bit higher, right. Load up. What do? We start in the dry area, not here because there's already a big jaggedy edge of lots of paint. And if I started there, there'd be too much paint. So I start in a dry area, which is my next section. A bit too much paint on there, get a bit off. Put it on the skirting here, but not right in the crease line. Push it into the crease line. So you can just push the exact amount that you want. Okay. Nice. And then when you lay off, I don't know if you can see, there's some little brush marks there. Don't start here, because you'll just make another brush mark. Start up here, in your dry area, and come backwards on yourself. Woohoo! And lift off like a little aeroplane, and that gets rid of the marks. And any gamminess that you've got is here, but that's okay because you're about to go there. So what do? We load up, get rid of the excess, doop, 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 doop. Not too much. Start in a dry area, and tell me why? Because there's too much paint here already, and there's none here. And then you push it into the crease line. Oh yeah, nice, all the way down. That way you've got even paint application, but there is that little jaggedy line. So what do we do to get rid of it? We don't start here and go like that, because you'll just make another big mark there. You start in this area, the dry area, and come backwards on yourself. And lift out like a little aeroplane, and it gets rid of the brush marks. And any gamminess is up here. And we do this all the way to the top until it's done, and it's beautiful. And when that's done, that will be undercoated, ready to put the eggshell on. And this is my super duper Zinza that dries in 1 hour. Ready to do the next one. Oh, seriously, this could be a wedding cake, couldn't it? To me, it is a wedding cake. I don't know what you're seeing, but I'm definitely seeing wedding cake. Bye.